speed. Since last year, they have taught me everything, and the entire exam came from the app itself. So I was able to uh, revise again and again because of the syllabus was so concise in the app, so it was very helpful. Question bank has also become very nice, and subject wise questions are also there, so it was also helping to edit in very better respects.
So I bring in all the wishes and greetings on behalf of all the faculty members of Speed Medical Institute to Dr. Gaurav for
Thank
scoring
you.
topmost rank of 22 in NEET SSDM Respiratory Medical Group.
Thank you.
So can we know your detailed background history from where you started? Before that, I need to thank you for sparing your time to share your valuable experience with us and also with students.
Thank you. I did my MBBS in 2015 from JGM Medical College, Davangere, and then I did my post graduation from Ravindranath Tagore Medical College, Udaipur. I completed my MD exam just 2 months back.
Wow.
So yeah, yeah.
You're
So
back
I
to
was so I was just waiting for my this. We have a bond in Rajasthan, so I was waiting there for that SShip to be started. Till then, the result came for the DM.
fantastic, phenomenal, excellent. So, how does it feel? Because you finished DM recently and you're back to back onto your super specialty. And
Yes.
how does it feel for you?
It feels very nice, and I would like to thank Speed. It has been a great journey with Speed. Since last year, they have taught me everything, and the entire exam came from the app itself. So I was able to uh, revise again and again because of the syllabus was so concise in the app, so it was very helpful.
Very good, very nice, excellent, doctor. Doctor, we want to know super specialty when you decided. Once you decided what you did, what was your preparation strategy to achieve topmost rank today?
So when I was doing my post graduation, I saw I was inspired by my seniors to do it's for a DM. So so everyone joined Speed, so I also followed along. And in Speed, it was very helpful. The entire syllabus was very concise. So I was due to which I was able to revise it again and again. And then I followed Fishman. I revised it 3 4 times at least. Then Dr. Saurabh Pahuja was very helpful, and his videos were so great in understanding and was very helpful.
Very good, excellent. Now, doctor, can you tell us how many questions did you attend this exam?
I attempted 135 questions. I left 15 questions.
Good. And can you tell us about the paper? Was it a PG exit standard or a super specialty was also added onto it? What kind of paper it was?
It was a postgraduate level paper. It was not. It didn't. The level was good, but it was not so advanced. But it was slightly advanced, but not to a great level. But the entire questions came from the Speed app only. Majority questions. Uh,
Okay. So nice. The team will be very happy to know it. So they worked closely to the exams.
yeah.
Great. Doctor, what will be your message for the future aspirants of DM pulmonary group, medicine, respiratory medicine group?
It will be actually to study hard and to revise again and again till all the concepts become clear, and to do as much MCQs possible. So it helps to get a greater grasp on the subject and get better rank.
Fantastic. So what is your experience with speed and the exam? So what do you feel? I mean, taking option of speed, is it a good decision or what kind of a decision it was?
It was the best decision. It was the best decision. Because as the videos are pre-recorded, so at my own leisure I could see in the videos. So it was very nice. And the videos was also concise. So again and again I can see. And the question bank has also become very nice. And subject-wise questions are also there. So it was also helping to edit in very better respects.
Excellent, doctor. Now, time to thank and whom all you want to thank. They stood by you in your
I would li-
difficult times.
I would
You
like
use this platform to thank all of them.
yes. I would like to thank my mother and my wife, my father and my sister, and and my friends, Pankaj sir, Sarthak, My teachers, Neha ma'am, Mahesh sir, Manoj sir, and Dr. Saurabh Pahuja sir. Like,
So full of happiness. I'm very
yeah,
happy, and you look very happy and also very very blessed. And I mean, I really congratulate you, and also feel that you have a lot of gratitude and thankfulness to all the people who have helped you. So I really congratulate you for having that gratitude and thankfulness to people who stood by you and helped you.
thank
And
you.
I'm feeling really kind of inspired from your story
Thank you,
and
sir.
you worked to your success.
Thank you.
And once again, we wish you all the very best and all the success for a great and wonderful and amazing career in a
Thank you,
deep
sir.
specialty in pulmonary medicine. Best wishes to you, doctor.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.